baby. No fight. Ah, good job. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. It's not that easy, baby. You know it's not that easy. I stood there not even a year ago. I said I don't want to retire, but I have to. I tell my kids every week that everything I do and that I said for almost 15 years, I said with purpose. That night had purpose behind it, even on my way out. 15 fucking years. I did this. I did this. There's people that walk in now and think this is a game. They don't pay no dues. They don't do a goddamn thing. I've seen this set up a lot. Many fucking times. I'm supposed to be a man of my fucking word and stay away from this toxic, decrepit fucking business that I fucking hate and I fucking love. I don't. No. I ain't been hit with one of these in a long time. In a long time. And now the man, now Onita wants to call me out. I was supposed to stay retired. I was supposed to be a man of my fucking word. I was supposed to walk down that aisle one last time. I wanted to go out with peace of mind, but nobody wouldn't let me do that. But I didn't think out of everybody, it'd be you! Oh, Onita, I didn't think it'd be you. The guy I called out 4 years ago. He's supposed to be once in a lifetime. And we all saw how that went. I watched for the last year people come into a game in a genre that I didn't put on my fucking back when nobody asked. But I did it, and I did it the right way. I did it for those who came before me. I did it for the art. I did it for the sport. I did it because I fucking love it. And I still do. After I fought for the last year, if I didn't love it anymore. But I do now more than ever. And I got fucking purpose behind it. Because now, the story, we're on the last chapter. We all know because Matt Tremont loves talking about story. Matt Tremont loves talking about purpose. And I got the biggest purpose of all, to come back to something I gave my fucking word to. My fucking word to. And now you want me to come back. You know who don't want me to come back? Every single cocksucker in deathmatch wrestling. Because all I've been hearing them say for the last year, something I never had to fucking say. I'm the best in the world. I'm the best in the world. Come on, would you stand here in barbed wire and tell the whole world just how good you are? When there's nobody here, now you want it? Because I never had to. Because I wasn't a fucking mark for myself. Back to that book. It is now August. The very same month where it was supposed to be what it was supposed to be 4 years ago. And I stand, and now I kneel in my ring in the house that I retired in. Because I have a notice for the entire wrestling world, and you, Onita. 2 days after my birthday, I turned 32 this year. I am as old as the dream that you have had for 30 years yourself, to be able to do the match that hasn't been done before on United States soil. We tried before, but they didn't get the fucking job done. But I will. Because I have to. Not retire. No, not retire. I have to. I have to come back and show everybody who pissed and moaned all over what I did and those that came before me did. Onita, you just said via social media, just like everybody does now, that I am scared. I am not scared of anyone. I am not scared of no man, not scared of anything in my entire life except my wife. Onita, I will say this again as I get down on my knees with a smile on my fucking face again. But this time, it will become a reality. Because it is our destiny. On October 31st, one day and a year after I retire, I come back and we dance one more time. No rope, barbed wire, current blast, explosion, death match. And unlike before, now we will smell those furious smells of gas. We will bleed, we will do it all. And here's the difference. Here's the difference, Onita. And this is what everybody thinks, and you're all wrong. Onita, you are gonna come here in America versus me, 1-on-1, how it should have always been, on my soil in the US, October 31st. It is our destiny. Onita, challenge accepted. Because I'm back. Because I wanted to. I owe it to my kids. I owe it to my wife. And for the first time in my whole fucking life, I'm gonna be selfish for once. And I'm doing this for me! Destiny awaits. Onita. 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 Onita.